All right, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover because all of the audio that I took disappeared. So here we go. These over here are the uprights, and everything is obviously in brushed aluminum. So I got the uprights because the ones I currently have are kind of shit. So that's why I got the uprights as well. And then over here are these scoops. I got them pre-bent at a not pre-bent. I got them bent at a shop for 35 bucks around. So that's fun. And I didn't have any of the actual stuff at home to bend it, and I didn't want to fuck it up, so that's why I got it bent at a shop. And this is the actual under tray with the radiator triangle radiator hole, which is cool. Hello, my cat. And these are the screws. It comes with all of the little screw tabs and the washers necessary. The instructions are kind of shit, honestly, but made do with it. And a lot of videos, honestly, actually just one video of some dude doing it. Anyways, so that's that. Okay, so I got the under tray and not the under tray. What the hell? The uprights installed loosely. Unfortunately, this is the driver's side. Unfortunately, there's a bolt that was broken into the actual support bar thingy, and it was rusted in there, so I couldn't really pop it out or do anything about it. So it's missing a bolt there, but it's still solid enough if when tightened. Over here on the right side, well, the passenger side, it's basically the same thing. Fits pretty well. But they give you a little plastic retainer clip that's really shitty to get into the far spot over there. So that's just something. Okay, so now there's just the under tray and the scoops left to put onto the car. Something I didn't mention was the tabs that where the position of the tabs go, but I'll show that later. So the under tray and the scoops are installed. There are 6 little short screw tabs that are installed directly onto the bumper, the factory bumper, and the scoops are installed using the long screws, whereas the under tray is installed using the shorter hex screws. Over here on the passenger side, the scoop is almost impossible to put in. Not actually, no. The scoop was just very hard to put in because it was getting stuck onto something. The tabs that I got bent that connect to the upright also were not bent enough, so it wasn't helping with the placement. And I had to bend them again using my weight on the floor. Somewhere over here, not where I'm pointing, actually, further by the scoop, where the scoop actually is, there is a screw that was sticking too far down, and the scoop was getting caught on it. So that's another reason why it was not fitting properly. And this didn't happen on the left side because that screw wasn't there because it ripped out somehow. But that was a bitch to put in. Now I just have to tighten all the bolts, and not the bolts, the screws that are holding everything in place, and that will be the install. Okay, so here are the uprights that I used to have, the plastic ones. They're not horrible, but they're not the best either, so that's why I got the new uprights just while I was there. Some part on the second piece here is broken at the top, so just another reason to replace them. Here is the fuck the tire again. Anyways, here is the old under tray. It's missing the entire left wing part, and part of the right portion is breaking off as well. So it's just kind of shitty, and the new under tray is just better. So that's the old shit that was removed. So all in all, I hated doing this. It was such a fucking pain in the ass, and I don't think I'll ever do it ever again. Yay!